Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kool Zone. Thank you again for coming by and taking a look at my amazing waffles. Last video, I hit y'all with the chocolate waffles, which came out amazing. So today, I wanted to share with you guys some strawberry shortcake waffles. And let me tell you, it's going to be amazing. The taste was amazing. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And if you're a first-time watcher, please do subscribe to the Kool Zone. Let us know that you made your stop. Truly appreciate it. All right, enjoy the video. I love y'all. Kool Zone out.
I couldn't stop at the stop sign. On top at the right time. Let me tell you what I wanna do. Hop about this car, baby. We gon' hit the road, yeah. We in the house on the low, house all alone, baby. Got me all in the mood, yeah. Up and down, yeah. She move her body around, she move her body around. She go up and down, yeah. She move her body around. I just wanna release, I just wanna release, I just wanna release. You and me in the sheets. I just wanna release, I just wanna release. You and me in the sheets, you and me in the sheets. I just wanna release. We gon' fuck up the sheets, we gon' fuck up the sheets. We gon' fuck up the sheets, yeah. I just wanna release, I just wanna release, I just wanna release. We gon' fuck up the sheets, yeah. We gon' fuck up the sheets.
She don't play games, she be bout that. I told her I'd come through when she be out there, ready for me to come get it. Ready for me to come get it. Take the ball and run with it. Take the ball and run with it. But the way she scream make me scared though, cause I hope it ain't no witness. I take the pussy, not kill it. I take the pussy, not kill it. And she ain't gotta worry about catching shit, cause I already caught them feelings. Damn, I just came here to release. I wasn't gonna catch no feelings. What the hell got a hold of me?
I just wanna release, I just wanna release, I just wanna release.